Good morning, class 11th. So now we start today exercise 2.2. The first question is let a is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Define the relation r from a to a by r is equals to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equals to 0 where x comma y belongs to a. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Now I will tell you how to find domain and codomain, all the things. Now r is equals to x comma y, 3x minus y is equals to 0. X comma y belongs to a. So whatever values you have to put, like the set a is 1 to 14. So suppose if I put here 1, okay, x value if I put 1, then y value I get means 3x is equals to y. This is the equation. If I put x value 1, then y value will get 3. If I put x value 2, y value 6. If I put 3, then 9, and if I put 4, 12. Now if I put 5, then it will be 15, more than 14. So up to the 12 only we have to take, because in the set a 1, 2 and last element is 14 only. So up to 14 we have to go. So now domain of R, range is what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Codomain of R, that 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. And range is what? 3, 6, 9 and 12. I will tell with the image diagram. Okay, suppose if I put 1, then 2, then 3 and 4, whatever answer I get, 3, 6, 9 and 12. So these answers we get, these are called the domain. Okay, and from these we get range. And codomain is all the elements, whatever the limit is there, 14. This is the codomain. Now second question, define the relation R on the set of n natural number by R is equals to x comma y, where y is equals to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. Despite this relationship, using roster form, write down the domain and range. So R is a relation x comma y is equals to what? X plus 5. So up to 4 we can put. If I put 1, then 6 we get. If I put 2, then 7 I get. If I put 3, then 8 we get. Last limit is 4, up to 4 only, means 4 we less than 4 is 8. So 4 we no need to put. What is the domain? This one is the domain, 1, 2, 3. What is the range? 6, 7 and 8. This will be the domain and range. Third question, A set is given, B set is given. Define the relation R from A to B by R is equals to x comma y. The difference between x and y is odd, where x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Write the roster form. So now look at it. A and B is given. P is the difference between x and y is odd. So difference will be odd. What are the form of the relation? That 1 comma 4 means answer will come odd. 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1 odd number. Then 1 6 also odd. 6 minus 1 5. 2 9 odd. 3 4, 3 6, 5 4 and 5 6. The difference will be the odd. Now fourth question. The figure shows a relationship between P and Q. Write this relation in the set builder form, roster form. What is the domain and range? These are the two sets, P and Q. 5, 6, 7. Image will be 3, 4, 5. So what will be the roster form? R is equals to x comma y. Y is equals to x minus 2. If I put 5, look at that. If I put, answer will be 3. If I put 6, answer will be 4. If I put 7, answer will be 5. Means 2 will be the less. So x minus 2. The what is the relation? 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. Domain is 5, 6, 7. Range is 3, 4 and 5. This will be the questions. Now 4 to 5 questions are left. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and then we start the third exercise. So thank you all of you.